Hello and welcome to Best Reviews. If you're an Apple Watch enthusiast looking to elevate your experience, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best Apple Watch accessories you can buy this year, each designed to enhance functionality and style. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. You can find all the product links conveniently listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Starting our list is the elago AirPods Wrist Fit. This ingenious product is designed to be a lightweight and slim-fitting holder for your AirPods, perfect for keeping your AirPods secure while you work out or when they run out of battery. The design is sleek and minimalistic, ensuring it doesn't add bulk to your Apple Watch. It's a perfect blend of functionality and style. Next up is the NightWatch Magnifying Clock Dock, an innovative reimagining of the Apple Watch dock that turns your watch into a stunning alarm clock. With multiple global patents pending, this unique ball design magnifies the watch face, making it a perfect display piece for your nightstand or desk. The design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your Apple Watch, but also adds significant functionality by amplifying the display and the alarm. At number 3, we have the 12 South ActionBand, an essential accessory for those who engage in sports or physical activities where a traditional watch placement might be uncomfortable. This product allows you to keep using your Apple Watch even when sports gear or activities restrict wrist placement or cause discomfort. The ActionBand comes in a set of 2 bands, one with a secure watch frame and one without, giving you versatility depending on your activity. Coming in at number 2 is the i.VALUX portable wireless charger, a must-have for anyone who needs a reliable and portable power source for their Apple Watch. This compact charger features a built-in 1,000 mph battery, allowing you to carry it anywhere and extend your watch's battery life in emergencies. Its key loop design makes it easy to hook onto a bag, ensuring it's always within reach when you need it. The charger can fully charge your Apple Watch in about 2.5 hours and can charge the watch 1.5 times when fully charged itself. Finally, our top pick is the Wristcam Smart Dual Camera Band, an Apple MFI certified accessory that truly adds superpowers to your Apple Watch. This innovative band features an 8-megapixel sensor and full HD video capability, including a 720p sport mode, providing exceptional image stabilization for high-quality photos and videos. It's an IP68 water-resistant band that integrates seamlessly with Siri for added convenience.